Welcome to Decentralized Clarity, a crypto educational platform built on the Near blockchain. Here we teach complex crypto concepts using everyday language. Today we are going to explain in simple terms what a blockchain is. So, what is blockchain?
Imagine you have a special notebook where you write down all the things you borrow or lend to your friends. Let's say your friend Bob asks to borrow your toys, and you both agree on a piece of paper and sign it. That way, Bob promises to return your toys. But sometimes, friends forget or pretend they didn't promise. That's not fair, right? To solve this problem, you and your friends decide to keep a special notebook together in a secret clubhouse. Whenever someone borrows or lends something, they write it down in the notebook, just like before. But now, everyone in the clubhouse can see the notebook, so nobody can pretend they didn't promise anymore. It's like having many copies of the notebook, and everyone can check if the promises are kept. But there's another challenge. What if something happens to the notebook? What if it gets lost or damaged? All the promises would be gone. To prevent that, you and your friends make more copies of the notebook and give them to different trusted people. So even if one notebook gets lost, there are still others to keep track of the promises. Now, everyone in the clubhouse has their own notebook, and they all write down the promises. But here's the important part. Whenever someone makes a new promise, they tell everyone in the clubhouse, and everyone writes it in their notebooks. This way, everyone has the same information and can make sure nobody cheats or changes their promises later. This special way of keeping track of promises is called a blockchain. It helps you and your friends trust each other and remember the promises you made. People use blockchain for many important things, like keeping records of medical information, tracking where food comes from, or even voting in elections. It's like a super secure and fair system for everyone to trust each other. So, to conclude simply, a blockchain is like a special notebook where you and your friends write down promises, and everyone keeps a copy to make sure nobody forgets or changes their promises. It's a way to be fair and trustworthy with each other.
An example of this is the Near blockchain. The Near blockchain is a carbon-neutral, fast and affordable blockchain that enables decentralized communities and applications to build, scale and ship efficiently. Join at near.org to know more. Join our communities for more simple understanding of complex crypto terminologies.